Hey all, this is Rahul Kanyal helping you live an awesome life. First of all, let me thank you all for your shares, comments and subscribes. I feel loved and respected. Today I'm going to share you what if you're not able to do meditation as has been preached, right? Close your eyes and do something. You will be in meditation. If you're trying to do so and failing, this video is the right video to you because I'm going to share with you one way to meditate which always works for me, and I believe if it works for me, it will also work for you guys. Firstly, let's try to understand what is meditation. What is the meaning of meditation, or have we been taking it wrongly in a sense? The root of meditation lies in awareness. As J Krishnamurti said, meditation is awareness of what is. So deep and profound, and he was a genius. Osho said that greatest meditation or the easiest meditation is dancing. So what were these people referring to? According to my understanding, meditation is tool for awareness. So let's go and explore this awareness more. Awareness is being aware of what is, everything outside of you and inside of you. Outside of you, for example, this fan is blowing right now. I can hear this. The wind rushing on my face, I can get that. And the sound that I'm making, I can hear that. Hopefully, you're also hearing it. If you are totally in present, aware of this, plus your inside system of thoughts and emotions. An emotion can be jealousy. An emotion can be anger, an emotion can be love, an emotion can be hatred, an emotion can be compassion, passion. Are you aware of these emotions right now? If you are aware of this, it leads to something called awareness, which further leads to another state called silence or stillness, a state of bliss, joy, peace and happiness. How do I know all of these things? Because I have survived a clinical depression and somehow my consciousness expanded after that. Somehow I know all of these things because I became aware after my chronic attack. Mind becomes very much silent. It becomes very much peaceful and joyful once you do it correctly. For example, I love to give this example of adventure sport, bungee jumping, right? Right. Why do you feel good after it? You feel good because you are aware, intensely aware. You don't think of that pretty girl that day. You just think nothing. You are there at the moment. So I encourage you, all of you, to find something that you dissolve in. It might be dancing, it might be playing guitar, it might be playing football, it might be reading, it might be listening to music, it might be anything. The list is endless. Believe me, this is how it goes. The conventional way of doing a meditation is to close your eyes and do, I don't know what. Osho, he was a genius. Believe me, he was a genius. He said that the most difficult meditation is to close your eyes, sit in a place and try to meditate. And believe me, there's a difference between concentration and meditation. We are not talking about concentration here, focusing on a single point. We are not talking about that because meditation is expensive. Concentration is not. Concentration converges, meditation diverges. Once you understand this, your life is going to be never the same. So coming back to one of the most important meditation I suggest is writing your thoughts on a piece of paper, on a diary. Robin Sharma, the author of The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. I hope you have read this wonderful life-changing book. If you have not, please read it. It's amazing. So he suggests your daily hours of journaling. And why is it so? Because journaling has been proved to be an amazing tool for expanding your awareness. Why so? Because when you are writing your own thought, you are aware of your thoughts going in your head. You are not thinking about anything in the past or a probable event in the future. You are at the moment at that point of time. And when you're doing it, your vision sense is activated. Plus your touch sense. The touch of your hand with the paper is activated. So here two senses are activated. The vision and the touch. The trick here is to use maximum senses at the same moment. I hope you are getting this. So if meditation is not working, please write down your thoughts, your evil thoughts, your lovely thoughts, your monstrous thoughts, your demonish thoughts, and your jealous thoughts, whatever thoughts that you have in your mind, you have to write them down. And it is certainly going to help you. This is what I believe. That's why I made this video. And I'm really thankful to you. That's all from this video. I hope I had an impact of value to your lives. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so for adding more value-adding content. Please like if you like the video and share it in social media so that the message can reach to others who are really struggling with meditation and their own minds, because mind is something that creates all the problems and noises in our lives. If you have questions, please comment in the comment section below, down there. And yes, if you want to connect to me, you can connect to me in Facebook, in Twitter, in Instagram, and LinkedIn also. Thank you very much.